Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Archie, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about the superstar who is going to make their return at Royal Rumble pay-per-view. The inside news, the rumors has really talking about this superstar who might make their return at the pay-per-view. So let's not waste time. Watch the video till the end. Okay. The first superstar whom I believe is to make the return is none other than the SmackDown savior Seth freaking Rollins. So Seth Rollins has been out for WWE after Survivor Series due to personal reasons, due to his wife's pregnancy, that is for paternity leave. So Seth Rollins' career in 2020 was not that good. The career graph, the amount of rivalry build up, the amount of matches that he has played was not good, not for his side. But the 2019 Royal Rumble winner Seth Rollins will look to bounce back in this pay-per-view and will have a good start, and I believe that he will directly be returning on the day of Royal Rumble and on the Royal Rumble match. Earlier, WWE has scheduled his return on the first SmackDown of this year, but it was rescheduled and postponed, and I think that Royal Rumble pay-per-view will be the day when Seth Rollins will make his return, and I think this will be a very good Rumble for him, unlike the last year which was really bad. So let's see what happens. Let's see if he can win. He's one of the most hot contenders for winning this year's Royal Rumble. So let's see what happens. But I think Seth Rollins will have a good impact on Royal Rumble. Okay. The next superstar that I think will return, that is none other than Fiend. So Fiend has been out from WWE after TLC, that is at the match at TLC with Randy Orton when Randy Orton burned the Fiend, not the actual Fiend, that is a dummy Fiend, and after that the storyline goes in this way that Fiend has been out. But recently we have seen Alexa Bliss taking revenge for Fiend from Randy Orton. So it's quite clear that even if Randy Orton has announced himself in the 2021 Royal Rumble match, but I think that Fiend might make a big return either on the Royal Rumble match or either can have a segment with Randy Orton in that pay-per-view, because Fiend is a kind of a character, or because Bray Wyatt has always been after playing the Fiend has always been on the good sides, and personally speaking, Bray Wyatt himself hasn't won the Royal Rumble, so maybe he's not one of the hot contenders, but I think Fiend will have a good Royal Rumble pay-per-view. So might be we see that Fiend returning at Rumble and have his revenge on Randy Orton. So I'm really looking forward how WWE make Fiend's return at Rumble. Okay, the next list we have none other than Braun Strowman. So Braun Strowman have some injury, that's why he's taken his time off from WWE, and those who follows him on the social media accounts, they know that Braun Strowman is really working hard on his physique. So on the day of Royal Rumble, I think Braun Strowman will make his return, and I think the kind of physiques that he has built right now is a very good thing, and Braun Strowman himself will have an X factor in the Royal Rumble match because due to his physiques and height and his build up. So I think Braun Strowman, if we have Braun Strowman in the Royal Rumble match, I think it will be a good thing to see. So let's see what happens. Braun Strowman hasn't have won the Royal Rumble in his career, so maybe this will be the first one in his career. So let's see what happens. Okay, the next superstar I have, that is none other than the beast incarnate, Brock Lesnar. So talking about Brock Lesnar, we haven't seen Brock Lesnar after WrestleMania 36, after he loses the championship to Drew McIntyre. But who else can forget that what a Royal Rumble Brock Lesnar had last year? After before Drew McIntyre eliminated him, I think he has eliminated each and every superstar who has come before Drew McIntyre and Ricochet. So I think I'm really excited if Brock Lesnar have a return on Royal Rumble and even in the Royal Rumble match. So Brock Lesnar has won the Royal Rumble once, but it can be a good one that if Brock Lesnar made a return and have a good impact and make and win the Royal Rumble. So let's see what happens. Even Paul Heyman is with Roman Reigns right now, so we don't know how the equation will go if Brock returns. But I think that if Brock returns, the fans will also be very much happy, because Brock Lesnar is a kind of superstar we all want. We wish him to see him wrestle every time. Okay, and the final wrestler whom I believe that can have a chance to return, that is none other than the superstar of WWE, the best of the WWE, John Cena. So John Cena has again the same. He has lost the match, against Bray Wyatt or against the Fiend on last year WrestleMania. After that, we haven't seen Cena. He's busy with the film schedule. He has his filmography is going really good, but WWE also needs him to some extent. So I think that if John Cena makes an return, even if he doesn't win, can have a storyline for WrestleMania. So let's see what happens. But I think I'm really pumped up if John Cena returns, and if he returns on the Royal Rumble match. So let's see how, if the WWE makes a decision for John Cena's return or not, because on today's WrestleMania reveal date we have seen John Cena on WWE's video. So maybe John Cena is again attached with WWE and we can have a glimpse of John Cena at Royal Rumble. So let's see what happens. But I think these are the 5 superstar who might have their return at the Rumble pay-per-view. So if you have any list, please say it in the comment. Please like, share, and please guys do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.